Hello, Mom and Dad Meet World. So today I want to talk to you about this right here. If you take a look, this is the DJI Neo2, and the Neo2 has been very good. We have used it on a handful of occasions, and I do really think it is nice to have a drone because depending on what you're going to be doing, maybe you want a little bit of those establishing shots, you want to show where you are at, and that is exactly what we use this particular drone for. So I want to talk to you about this drone and why there's actually a dent here. There's a dent in this actual battery compartment. I don't know if you can see that, but I will bring it a little bit closer and you can see that. But yeah, take a look at that dent, and we had actually gotten that dent because we were trying to get an establishing shot, and what you are going to see is you're going to see the drone flying backwards, and then all of a sudden the video just stops because that is when the drone actually hit, boom, right in the back. So we were not very far away, so we were at Bow Boss. We were standing right kind of by our car, right by the entrance, and I had it set on droney. What I had done is I just turned this particular drone on. I set it to droney. I hit the button. It counts down. It goes to lift off like it's going to take that droney shot, and all of a sudden it's taking the video. I see it record, and then I'm thinking to myself, it's gonna go past this blue gas station cover, the sign, and it does not. It actually hits it right in the back. It actually jerks like this, and the whole thing just drops. It literally just drops. It took about, I want to say 25 foot drop, and it just bounced. It bounced so hard that the battery had actually popped right out from the drone, and that is what created, I don't know if it hit the ground first then popped out, but I literally saw it bounce. The battery just pops out, and we go over there, and it's like, oh, that's not good, because I just thought to myself, well, is it broken already? At least we didn't spend too much on it. But then I'm thinking to myself, doesn't this thing have full 360-degree obstacle avoidance? And I don't think it does, because I do not see any of the sensors on the back of this drone. I see the sensor on the bottom, I see the sensor right here on top, and then you could see right here more sensors in the screen. The sensors on the front are supposedly LiDAR, but yeah, it did not do well going backwards, taking the droney shot I had set to droney at 20 meters. And that is when it did not find the edge of the blue cover. All it is an overhang and the cover to the gas station where we were at, because the restaurant was located in a gas station parking lot, and that is when it hit. That is when it took the 20 to 25 foot drop, literally hit the sign, bounces, stops recording, literally just goes straight to the ground. Luckily, there was not a car there, or it would have landed directly on top of the car and could have been not so good for us, not so good for the car, but luckily there was nobody getting gas at the gas station. This was also midday, lunchtime actually, so we had plenty of good light, and that's when that had happened. So yeah, not so good. So it does remind me of the time when we were in Hawaii, on the island of Kauai, and it was literally, we did the same droning shot, except it wasn't set to 20 meters. It was set much closer when we had first got this, and it was literally inches above a truck, literally hovering. I believe actually it wasn't droning, it was set to the portrait, where it was going to take photos of you, and that is when it was literally hovering around taking pictures of us. But it was literally inches above the top of a truck, like a Toyota Tacoma pickup truck, that type of truck, not like a big semi truck. But we were just on a pullover, grabbing views and getting some portraits, and I could not believe, I thought to myself, does it not see the truck, but literally it just went right up above the truck. This was the top of the truck, and it was just taking photos of us. So I was a little worried then, and now I see that with it going backwards, definitely have reason to worry. So if you have one of these drones and you are doing a droney, just make sure you are clear behind you, or else even with this obstacle avoidance that it does have, it will not be good for you or your drone, or depending on who is below you. I thought it was going to be good. I thought it was going to be safe. Nope, it was not. So I just want to give you an update. Going backwards with the drone and there's stuff behind you or behind the drone, that's a no-go. Alrighty, just want to give you this update. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye for now. You know, it's actually a really good drone, minus the backwards part.